Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome back. I had a decent weekend. I got to hang out with a friend, one of my best friends, celebrating his 33rd birthday. So that was fun. Got to hang out with him and his family, and we had a relaxing time, and we just had a real chill weekend. So I'm happy to be back this week. I have a lot going on this weekend, but first and foremost, I just wanted to take time to just touch on uh, Maslow's hierarchy of needs and how it relates to, um, helping people seize the best opportunities in life and to live the best life that they possibly can. So, with that being said, let's dive into it. So, I'm gonna just everyone's heard of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, but if you haven't, I'm just gonna summarize it quickly. So, there are five levels to Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Level one is physical needs, right? Have you satisfied your physical needs? Have you secured a warm shelter for yourself? Have do you have food on the table? Or are all your basic needs being met? And then he feels like once you've satisfied that, then you would have moved on to the next level, level number two. Level number two is safety. You know, do you feel safe where you are? Do you feel like you don't need to run from a lion anymore? A lion, sorry. Do you feel like you can rest and set roots and do the other little things like that kind of sleep well? You don't feel like you're running from someone, right, that could hurt you or harm you. And then the third stage is having a sense of belonging. If you feel like you belong to the community that you live in, you feel like you belong to friends, a group of friends that support you, a supportive family, a job that you like, a job where people, you belong there and you're making impact there. That would be level three. Level four for Maslow is after you've satisfied the need for belonging, then you move on to the next level of respect. Do you feel respected by the people you encounter, on a daily basis in your community, your family, your loved ones? Do you feel like they respect you? And in your workplace, are you being respected? So once you've satisfied that need, and that level four is called esteem, the level of esteem. And then level five, self-actualization. This one's less about you and more about other people. Once you have met all the needs, you're respected, you feel like you belong, you feel safe, you can eat and sleep comfortably, and those things are all met for you, then there's really not much anywhere else you can go except for thinking of others, is how he viewed it. So it'll be about other people and how you can better society, how you can create things or do things to help others around you, give back to society. So with that being said, those are the five levels, and I kind of went through them fast, but I can just say again. So at the very bottom, it is physical needs, number one; number two, safety; number three, sense of belonging; number four, a sense of esteem, respect; number five, self-actualization. So I bring this up, you guys, really to share with you that like some of us have met most of these, most of at least the first four levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Yet we move through society as if we don't have much to offer. We move through society not knowing that we could be given back in a little way, the littlest way possible. Every bit counts, right, you guys? So you can't keep thinking that you don't have enough. Like you can't keep thinking that you can't give back. And this will be a real this is a good tool to help you to figure that out. But a lot of us are still operating on old software. We're still feeling like we um like all that's very important in life is we just need to make sure we provide food. We just need to make sure we have a good job, and that's it. But you know, to be thinking that way would be a missed opportunity. You can do more. You can move on. You can move on to the next level, which you can move on from just taking care of your needs, worrying about your family, to taking care of the next need, right? So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys today. So step out of your comfort zone, utilize this tool to help you figure out how you can live the best possible life that exists out there for you, in your way, right? It's not about like doing what others think you should be doing, but doing what you can to advance yourself to the highest possible frequency, which is self-actualization, giving back, volunteering, building businesses for your community. If you feel like there's not enough jobs that reflect the group that you belong to, you can create those jobs. If you feel like there are not enough services, you can create those services with a group of friends. If you feel like there's something missing, you can create those things around you. There's a lot of need for that in our society, you guys. For us, the younger generation, to step up, to do things around us. The world won't change, like they say, without you doing your part to help it change. So utilize this Maslow's hierarchy of needs to figure out where you fall, and then put forth the work to move on to the next level. For me, in my life, I feel like I am at the self-actualization phase where, I'm just getting into the self-actualization phase. I'm in a phase where I'm now creating businesses in order to employ people, in order to then give back to society. Um, so yeah, you guys, I hope this video has been of value, and I hope that that Maslow's hierarchy of needs will help you move yourself from the next level. There's a lot of problems within our society, you guys, and we are poised, and we are in a position, if we think we are, if we believe we are, to do that. So I want to motivate you today that you do have all, everything that it takes to solve some of the problems around you in our society. So I hope I've been of value today. I'm really thankful for all the likes and all the views and subscribing that I've been seeing on my channel here. Guys, I am very grateful for you and your support. I am thankful. Thank you so much, and have a good Monday, good rest of your Monday, and stay motivated. Moto Monday, you guys. I'll see you next time. See you on Wednesday. Thanks. Bye.